Okay, so we started today's class, and I forget who asked, but the lights were off, and one of the guys asked another guy, "Hey, can you get the lights? Can you hit the lights? Can you turn on the lights?" Formal would be please switch on the lights or please turn on the lights, right? Songshik and I, we also had this word, here's the real kicker. Here's the real difficult part, the kicker. But, it's kind of like saying, you describe something and then the last thing you say, okay, here's the worst part. Or here's the thing that will drive you crazy. Additionally, kicker is also from American football. There's the kicker, right? Okay, these sentences. The third row from the back, the third row from all the way from the front all the way to the back. You gotta spell that. From where the banjang is seated all the way to the back, all the rows after Songshik's row, all those guys. So here's a way to see it, okay? And this is just the example. So let's say Songshik is here, from this row all the way back, or in this case, all the way down. From this row, from where this guy is seated, you could describe the guy, all the way down, all the way to the front, all the way to the back, right? From where he is seated to where we are. From where he is seated to the first, second, third row, like this. Very common sentence, right? Because we're talking about who are the military guys, and I think from where Songshik was seated all the way to the back. This word make out is like aradilda or araboda. Sorry about the Korean. I can't quite make out what he's saying. The transmissions are a little spotty, not so easy to understand, or you can understand and then parts you don't understand. This is from the Air France 447 case. In the middle of the Atlantic Ocean, the radar coverage is a bit spotty. All right. In the middle of the Atlantic Ocean, the radio transmissions, it's a bit spotty. It's difficult to hear. Off the top of my head, again, is your first thought, or your first answer. Your first answer without thinking. Who is the best actor in Korea? I don't know. Off the top of my head, Choi Min-sik. Out in the sticks is out in the countryside. The Shigol. Podunk is okay. Now, that's on a scale of 1 to 10, that's about a 3. Out in the countryside is where it's kind of beautiful. My grandmother lives out in the countryside. Again, Chonom, you can say hick, redneck, hillbilly, country boy. I have another video I'll show you. Hick is kind of like a redneck, like really dumb. Hey, what's up? Country boys, those are kind of fun. Hey, let's go to Jeju, ride some horses. Yeehaw! Okay.